The GCSE specification requires us to be able to define the terms greatest elongation, inferior planet, superior planet, conjunction, transit, opposition, occultation, and greatest elongation. So what I'm going to do in this video is we're simply going to look at the picture, and I'm going to start off by just defining what an inferior planet is. So you can see that where the Sun is, and you can see the inferior conjunction written up there. As I'm panning out, we're about to get to the Earth now. Okay, so we're about to see the Earth at the very bottom of the picture. So an inferior planet is a planet that is closer to the Sun than the Earth, and of course in our solar system that's going to be Venus and Mercury are inferior planets, which of course would suggest then that superior planets are planets that are further away from the Sun than the Earth. For example, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Now what's this inferior conjunction that we can see? Well, inferior conjunction occurs when the Earth and another planet are in line with the Sun and are on the same side of the Sun. Okay? Whereas superior conjunction occurs when the Earth and another planet are in line with the Sun but are on opposite sides of the Sun. Transit occurs when one planet passes in front of another, usually used to describe when Venus or Mercury passes in front of the Sun. Transits of Mercury are much more common than those of Venus. What else can I tell you? Opposition. Opposition occurs when the Earth is positioned between a planet and the Sun, and is the best time to observe the planet because at this point it is closest to the Earth. Okay. Occultation. Need to know. Occultation occurs when a transit blocks out the light from another body, normally used to describe the Moon obscuring a planet or a star, and eclipse is another common name for occultation. And the greatest elongation occurs when an inferior planet forms a 90-degree angle between the Sun and Earth, and the remaining angle that the Earth forms between the Sun and the inferior planet is known as the angle of elongation.